Licensing of food and feeds value chain players is handled by different agencies, further increasing the cost of production. Players in both food and feed subsectors say the multi-agency approach has seen some businesses pay double licensing fees due to duplication of functions by different government agencies.
Competent authorities, they could be charging different fee and sometimes duplication in terms of activities, and therefore the private sector and the farmers may not be getting the right services because of duplication, at the same time over taxation.
The government plans to amalgamate the licensing of players in the feed and food subsectors by creation of one-stop permit office. The Food and Feed Safety Control Coordination Bill 2023, which is currently in its second reading before the Senate, proposes the creation of an office that will oversee food and feed safety standards.
It will also bring in a coordination mechanism under one body called Food and Feed Controller, which will be handled by both the national government and the county government. It will also give capacity building and a lot of oversight to the private sector.
The bill is expected to increase the country's food exports through creation of traceability systems.
Focus on putting the responsibility on the food and feed business operators to ensure that the food and feed is safe. And that is because they're the ones manufacturing, processing, making the product. So if they're responsible, we need to help build their capacity to ensure that they have the mechanisms in place to ensure that product is safe.
The bill further seeks to reduce food handling risks and ensure traceability from farm to consumption. United States Department of Agriculture is targeting to increase food safety in the country through a 64.5 million shillings capacity building venture.